our 13-inch griddle. First off, you overhaul the measurements. From left to right, a length of 13 inches. Front to back, we have a depth of 29.5 inches. And a height with legs, we have 16 inches. Without the legs, coming to the actual griddle, interior dimensions, we have 13 inches by 22.5 inches in depth, and a thickness of 1 inch. Coming to the left side will be an area where debris will fall onto this waste tray, and the measurement for the waste tray will include 7.5 inches in length by 20.5 inches in depth. There's a divider on the center of the waste tray. Tray can be removed and inserted back. And coming to the right will be the temperature adjustment knob. And to your right will be the E-tail certification along with the gas information for this griddle. Gas regulator along with the propane conversion kit will be included with this griddle. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.